You're about to thank me for this DIY Italian style Vici peel and stick backsplash for your wall. This is great for your kitchen. This is great for your bathroom. They do include 12 pieces per pack, and each tile measures 5.9 inches by 5.9 inches. And each tile is completely different. They're really vibrant. They're really glossy. They look very high-end. These look like high-end glossy tiles, but you can cut them really easily, so you don't have to have any kind of special equipment. I'm going to kind of post these up on my walls and see which ones I want to put where. I kind of have an idea of what I'm going to do, so be watching for my DIY makeover in the kitchen. But these are just so gorgeous. They do have other designs to choose from. I'm just really partial to anything pink and purple, turquoise, and these have a really nice kind of a Mediterranean, almost a Turkish, Greek, kind of that kind of area feel to it, and it just looks really nice and vibrant. You can use these on all kinds of DIY projects. Just get creative with it. There's lots of options, and you can see just how big and significant these tiles are. Just absolutely beautiful for your next DIY project. And thanks to Vici for sending these over for me to try out. I am loving them. These are also going to make a great gift for your favorite DIYer or aspiring interior decorator. Put these in your cart.